I am thine, O Lord. I have heard thy voice, and it told thy love to me. Consecrate me now for thy service, Lord. Let my will be lost in thine. Draw me nearer, nearer, blessed Lord, to the cross where thine has died. Draw me nearer, nearer, blessed Lord, to thy precious bleeding